Woo! Look how bumpy it is. Probably gonna be like the smoothest video you've ever seen. You even know how bumpy it is. What's up, guys? Alright, show me some tricks, Corbin. Set up my tripod. I have the quick 40 stick. I see my butt crack. Oh, my butt crack. I got to go there. Gotcha. Batman.
No, boy. Oh.
Wait, I'm Spider-Man.
Boy, that's his GoPro. Get him, boy.
Yeah, that's not gonna work, but
That won't work.
it is cold out. It has gotten a lot colder.
Yeah.
Whew. All right, so Corbin's getting a Vivitar. Donuts? Of course you'd say. So Corbin's getting a Vivitar from him, and my dad's buying me a waterproof case for this. Then he's gonna give the Hero 3 to him, which he already did. As you can see, that's what I used to work with. Look at that. Now I got this. And man, it's awesome.
It's the 7.
I got the GoPro shorty stick, or the quick pod, or whatever it is. Or you can like have it a tripod, extended tripod short, and then it's got just a short like little thing. And then he got, or basically I got the travel kit for GoPro. Just look it up. It's everything I got. I got it at Best Buy, and then I got like a $50 gift card with it. So I bought a 128 gigabyte card. And then I got a battery with a charger for 50 bucks. So I spent about 430. Well, I ordered a mic and an adapter because it's hard to find adapters. If you want to find an adapter for the GoPro Hero 7, look up USB space C space adapter or microphones. Come up microphones, but if you can't, well, they're like 18 bucks. I also spend that money, so I just looked up from an aux jack for microphones. So I'm getting one of those, and then I got an adapter that plugs into the extra charger part. It has like 30 something cents, but it's not gonna be here till like 2 weeks. But I'm not gonna need a microphone that early. What?
Is that blimp?
A blimp?
Yeah.
A blimp?
Yeah.
No, that's what you call an airplane, son. You guys probably can't see it. Yeah, I'm turning stabilization on to try it out. See if it works. There we go. Yeah, I love this. Like, he's arms almost. Alright, so that's arm's length. Look how far that looks. It, like, zooms out everything. Like, that is nuts. So, like, I'm standing right here. I can get the whole trampoline just right here. And my brothers were just showing me a video that they made on theirs.
Yeah.
And that's really bumpy. Really bumpy. What? Check what out? Oh my god, check this out! He's chasing me and I'm scared. I can go live on Facebook. Maybe I can find a way to rig it and go live on live. Maybe I can go live on YouTube. I was messing with the auto exposure. Which one of your new tricks? Yeah, he's kind of limited to what he does. So It's been a while since I've been on the trampoline.
Yeah.
Actually, I was earlier, but like today's been like the first time in a while. So, yeah. Feels so good having this. I spent all my money on it, so I have like 60 bucks. I probably already said that. I spent like, yeah. Like I could have got the GoPro Hero 8 with all the stuff I got for it for 400, but oh well. I like the 7 because it's got interchangeable lenses, or not interchangeable, but changeable lenses on the outside. All I gotta do is twist it off counterclockwise. Ooh, I'm gonna get my Crocs on. Yeah, the Croc family. So it's pretty cold. So it's gonna be a little update video. Hope you guys enjoy. Probably just gonna be a little bit, and then Chubbers. His name is Chubbers. Say hi, Chubbers.
Hi.